ngayong araw, we will also recommend, the Commission will recommend, ang pagsampa ng mga kaso laban sa mga these following persons. Former Senator Bong Revilla Jr., Maynard Ngo, Carlin Villa, Gerard Opolencia, Manny Bolusan, Ruel Umali, Jean Ryan Altea, Carlin Yap Villa, J.Y. De La Rosa, Mrs. Patron, and Carlo Aguilar. Ang posibleng mga kaso ay direct or indirect bribery and corruption of public officials, plunder and administrative sanctions, amongst others. We're also submitting new evidence in addition to our previous referrals, which may possibly lead to more charges for the following individuals. Former Secretary Manuel Bonoan, former USEC Catalina Cabral, former USEC Roberto Bernardo, former Congressman Saldico, Commissioner Henry Lipana, Henry Alcantara, Bryce Hernandez, and J.P. Mendoza. Because of the gravity of the allegations, the Commission also recommends that the following individuals be referred to the Office of the Ombudsman for further investigative review and case build-up, with the understanding that any additional evidence obtained by this Commission will be transmitted immediately. Number 1, Senator Chis Escudero. Number 2, Senator Nancy Binay. Number 3, Senator Grace Poe Lemanzares. Number 4, Senator Mark Villar. Ang hustisya ay stricto. Thank you po. I will entertain some questions. You're always first. Okay, you can.